Today we're doing stretches for busy people for stiff hips and achy back after sitting all day. With this class, you're going to be able to feel more fluid, more ease in your hips, more fluidity, mobility, less stickiness, stiffness, and less pain in your lower back. It will relieve some of the postural, habitual patterns you have in your body. So let's begin. Starting with hip circles. So you're going to draw hip circles in one direction, leading with one hip, the right for me. And reverse, left hip leading. From here, we're gonna reach up over the head, shoulders down, and we're going to sit back in an imaginary chair so that now we're employing the hips and the glutes. As you come up, you're gonna reach back, but keep your belly engaged. Sit in your chair, reach back, sit in your chair. Now you're using your muscles, your back is straight. Reach back. Sit in your chair, look at your toes, make sure that you're stepping evenly on your toes, they're pointing forward. And reach back. One more time. Reach back and come back out of it into neutral spine. Step your right foot forward, left foot all the way back, and begin to lower down until your knee reaches the floor. Walk your knee further back and bring your hands on the floor. Hug your right knee into your chest and lean. Feel that left hip flexor here. This is one of the main areas that contributes to stiff or achy lower back. Hold it and breathe. Great. Slowly come up and have your right knee at around 90-degree angle. Come up here and turn to your right. Arms out. Release. All right, let's change. Left knee forward. Adjust the width of your lunge here. Hug your left knee into your shoulder and hold here, allowing the release of that right hip flexor. Slight, subtle pelvic tilt. Great. From here, we're gonna bring the left knee at about 90 degrees. Twist to your left. Great. And let's lower down, sit down onto the ground. You're gonna bring your feet in front of you a little wider than hip width apart, and you're gonna bring your hands behind you, drop the knees to one side and drop them to the other a few times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Excellent. For the next exercise, you're going to bring your left foot into your right upper inner thigh. And we're gonna flex the right foot and point it. 1, flex, point 2, flex, point 3, flex, point 4, flex and hold, and gently lower over that right leg. Stretching the hamstrings here, plus a slight twist towards the right leg. This releases the muscles around the tailbone as well. Coming out, changing sides, same thing, point and flex, point and flex, point, flex, and gently lower down. You don't have to go all the way down. You can keep a slight bend in your left knee, keep your back relatively straight. A gentle twist towards the left leg. Exhale, and let's lay down onto our chest, onto our belly. Here we are going to take a nice deep breath into the belly, expanding the diaphragm and feeling the pressure from the floor. One more, really deep, really gentle but deep breath. Gentle but powerful too. All right, from here we are going to hug the elbows in and lift the chest off the ground in cobra style for a nice back extension. And let's reach with the arms and the legs up. Hold, reach, reach, reach. Release for a moment, hands under the forehead. And let's go again. Release. Lift. Release, 2 more. Last one. Excellent. Come up and sit onto your bum, hands behind you, fingers pointing towards you, feet parallel to each other directly forward. We're gonna go into tabletop. Really important. If your job is to sit all day, this stretches the hip flexors and strengthens the posterior chain. You can realign the shoulders. Keep your head in the position that feels juicy, so to speak. You can look forward. If it doesn't bother your neck, you can look back. Lift as high as you can. Push your feet down into the ground, all 4 corners of each foot. Engaging gently but powerfully the hamstrings. Excellent. Sit into a comfortable seated position. We're gonna bring the left hand to the right knee, look behind. This is one of those adjusting poses that you can do throughout your day, even at your chair, opposite side, using the armrest. Excellent. Back onto your belly And we're gonna do something a little more fun. Take the right leg up and bring it across from your body, hands down, for a nice adjustment of the back. So here the forehead is down, elbows are in, and we're just bringing the right foot to the left side wherever it lands, reverse and change. This gives you some fluidity, mobility, adjustment. Change, 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 change. And child's pose. You're gonna sit onto your heels, forehead on the ground, and stay here for a few moments, letting yourself let go of the tension, allowing your body to let go of the tension, relaxing the back, softening the jaw, softening the breath. Come back to this class a couple times a week. Once daily can be perfect on your lunch break, just to break up the pattern of sitting and to give your body some adjustments. And keep going. Do some of my other classes in between, and you'll feel amazing release. Thank you all. I'll see you soon.